1.
Koldfront 12,000 BTUs Heat Cool Window Air Conditioner. The energy efficient Koldfront 12,000 BTUs Heat/Cool Window Air Conditioner, WAC12001W, can service a space up to 550 square feet. The air conditioner has 12,000 BTUs of cooling power and 11,000 BTUs of electric heating power. Using the electronic thermostat and digital display, you can set your desired temperature as well as control other convenient features like the energy saver mode, fan speed and 24-hour timer. GE 8000 BTUs Smart Window Air Conditioner, cools medium rooms. Delivers 8000 BTUs cooling capacity for medium rooms up to 350 square feet. Integration with the Smart HQ app allows you to monitor, schedule and control your smart air conditioner from anywhere, while compatibility with your favorite devices, including Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, make everyday tasks easier than ever before. Select from 3 cooling and 3 fan speeds for energy efficient cooling. This AC has a fixed chassis and installs easily in a double-hung window with included easy mount installation kit. When the room is cool enough, Energy Saver Mode automatically turns off the fan and compressor, saving you money on utilities.